Hello there. This is a how to build tutorial with the Snowy Blaze. So we've got some bricks here. That special brick this time is this brick. It's very, very cool. It's got studs on everywhere but the bottom. And then we've got two of these, one stud pieces. We got a orange triangle thing. Oh yeah, this I recommend it should be black a bit. Should be black. So not grey because yeah. Then we got this yellow piece here, and two of these, and one 3 stud thing here. Going to be useful, and then we've got this. It doesn't have to be see-through, but yeah, so let's get into it. So first, what you're going to be going for is these pieces, and we're going to put one on the bottom, one on the top, and then we're going to put this feet on, and then this on. So it should look a bit like this so far. Then we're going to put one thing on like this. And one other thing on like this. So it looks a lot like this. And this doesn't have any eyes. So we're going to put this on. So it should look like this. But you should notice he's a bit naked on his back. So we're going to put this bit right here. And your bird, if you followed it completely, your bird should be complete. Well, I hope you enjoyed this episode of tutorial how to build a Lego bird. And I will see you the next time. Bye! Peace out, bros.